Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In this video, we're going to practice subtracting rational numbers. Rational numbers are just fractions and decimals, and they can be positive or negative. In this video, it's really geared towards somebody who's already been introduced to positive and negative numbers and conceptually using models and still is having trouble. So I would say it'd be for grades 7 and above. Okay, so for this one, it says negative 30.9 minus 14.8. So in other words, look at it as you owe someone $30.90, and then you also went ahead and borrowed another $14.80. So what you're going to do is figure out the total amount that you owe. So that means I'm going to go ahead and add them both. But my sign has not been determined yet. So if you're thinking about it, you borrowed money once and you borrowed money twice. Well, if you owe money, it's going to be negative 45.7. Okay, so for this one is like 3.68. Take away negative 9.7. Well, when you have two negatives right next to each other, that pretty much cancels each other out, and it just really becomes a positive. I used to tell my students a long time ago, keep, fix, change. Just to kind of, especially if you've already had trouble and you've tried to understand it and it's just not making sense. At that point, you just let it go and go, all right, well, now at this point, I just need to figure out how to get the answer. And so this is where this video comes in. I would never start off teaching tricks. But this, like I said, is geared more for a grade 7 and above, or maybe even a college student that just needs a refresher, someone, maybe trying to pass the SAT or prep for it. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to go with the same concept of keep, fix, change. So I'm going to keep the negative. I'm going to fix that subtraction and make it an addition. However, I have to account for it. So that becomes negative. So basically, I'm going to add two negatives. My answer will stay negative. So you got negative 1/10 plus negative 1/5. I do need a common denominator. I can use the 10. This becomes 2/10. So my final is 3/10. And so I keep the negative sign, and I'm done. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope it helped, and if it did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.